In late September 2025, a BBC crew led by BBC News correspondent Celia Hatton took over AidData's headquarters for nearly 3 full days. To those unfamiliar, AidData is a research lab at William & Mary, a public university in Williamsburg, Virginia. AidData's mission? To help decision makers understand the impacts of foreign policies and overseas investments with nonpartisan research and analysis. For more than 12 years, AidData has assembled uniquely comprehensive data on the scale and scope of China's overseas lending and grant-giving operations. With our newest dataset and report on China coming, the BBC arrived to learn what AidData had found and why it matters. I chatted with Celia to hear her thoughts on AidData itself.
AidData is great because it can explain where data is collected from, the methods that they use, it's open source, and it can explain why it matters. And also, frankly, it's a subject that touches on a lot of people.